everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own leather bracket straps. You'll need some leather, a leather puncher, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, screws, and a drill gun. I'm folding a piece of leather in half about 4 inches, and it's going to be about 2 inches across. I used the pencil and traced the lines where I want to cut. Make sure you have a pair of sharp scissors. Next, I'm gonna get my hole puncher and just punch a hole in it. I believe my setting is on the largest size, which is about a 4. Use a screw to make sure that it fits through the hole. Oh, hi, here's the fun part. I am grabbing the leather straps and screwing them into the wall. Safety first. Before you drill anything into your wall, make sure there's no electrical. I already did this by using a stud finder, and there's nothing actually behind that wall. You also want to pre-mark where you're going to make your holes. This looks level. I think I'm done. Hey! Also, I steamed this curtain so it's nice and straight. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and save.